Hello friends, welcome to the Tech World Plus. In this video, we are going to discuss about the right to left lookup using index and match formulas. So if you remember from the VLOOKUP formula and HLOOKUP formula, we have a limitations. So what is the limitation in the VLOOKUP is your source column should be at the left hand side and corresponding target columns should be on right hand side. Then only you can fetch the data using the VLOOKUP formula. Similarly, if you recall from the HLOOKUP formula, your source row should be at the top side and the target columns, target rows should be bottom side. Then only you can fetch the data. What if there is a case, okay, where you have source column like this? Here in my case source column is month, and where I have the data, where I have to fetch the data from left hand side columns, that is from param 2 and param 1 and param 2. Okay, so how can we do that? Let's look about the formula. So in this case I want to find out the percentage for the month of June, that is 7.74 should be my output here. So how to do that? Okay, so we can do that using, first we will be using match formula. So match formula basically returns the specified value, that means specified position of that value, so on what position it is there. Okay, so match my lookup value is June and the my lookup array is column C. Okay, and then my match should be exact match, that means in this case we have to use the 0. Enter. Okay, you can see 10th position, it has returned the position 10 in the column C. June is at position 10. So now I want to find out the position 10 value from the column A. How can I do that? Again I have to write the same formula, okay, using index. Array is A, column A. Okay, in the column A I want to find out the value of from row 10, and then I will hit the enter button. You can see 0.007 when you convert that into the, so 7.74. Similarly, if you want to find out for the month of February, you can enter the February and you can see the 5.99 percentage. Okay, so in this case even we can use the similar formula to the right lookup value as well. That means let me take the copy of this formula and then paste into the another cell and hit enter button. So now in this case, like I don't want to use the VLOOKUP, instead of VLOOKUP I will use this from even from left to right side as well. That means I want to find out the param 4 number, that is from column E. Let me replace this with column E. So you can get the February, for the month of February the param 4 value is 921. Let's look at the similar formula, like how can we apply to the HLOOKUP. So in here, like I want to find out the, for the month of January I want to find out this from column from row 4. So how to do that? Again we have to use match formula here, match, and then take the lookup value and then lookup array should be row number 6, and then match type is exact match, that means 0. Okay, that is at the first position. And let me take the index formula and apply to the row number 4. Okay, and then close this parenthesis. You can see 0.54. So 5.44. Similarly, we can do the H lookup for the bottom side columns as well. Let me copy it. Let me take the copy of this formula and paste it here, and let me change the column 4 to column 8. You can see 837 for the month of January. Let me change it to March and let's see the results are changing or not. Yes, results are changing. For the month of March it is 6.44% and then 1022. Just for your reference, I am writing the formula here. Yeah, this is the formula which we have used using index and then match formula. That's it for today, guys. Hope you are enjoying our content. Please do share your comments and encourage us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Let's talk more in my next video.